What if I told you that something smaller than a grain of sand can power an entire city? Or that the same science behind the most powerful weapons is also used to save millions of lives every year? Welcome. Today, we are diving into one of the most fascinating and misunderstood fields of science, nuclear physics. Nuclear physics is the branch of physics that studies the nucleus of the atom. At the center of every atom lies a nucleus, made of protons and neutrons. Even though the nucleus is incredibly small, it holds an enormous amount of energy. In simple terms, nuclear physics explains what happens inside the atom's nucleus and how we can release and control its energy. The nucleus contains protons, positively charged, and neutrons, no charge. Now here's the mystery. Protons repel each other, so why doesn't the nucleus fall apart? The answer is the strong nuclear force. It's one of the strongest forces in the universe, and it holds the nucleus together at extremely short distances. Not all nuclei are stable. Some atoms naturally release energy and particles. This process is called radioactive decay. Alpha radiation, beta radiation, gamma radiation. Important point: radiation is not always dangerous. It depends on the dose and how it's used. In fact, radiation plays a huge role in modern medicine. Nuclear fission happens when a heavy nucleus splits into two smaller nuclei. Example: uranium-235. When it splits, energy is released, neutrons fly out, and a chain reaction begins. This process is used in nuclear power plants and nuclear weapons. Same science, very different outcomes. The difference? Control. Now let's flip the idea. Instead of splitting atoms, fusion joins them together. This is what powers the sun. Fusion produces more energy, creates less waste, and is much safer in theory. So why don't we use it everywhere? Because it requires extreme temperatures and pressure that are very hard to achieve on Earth. Nuclear physics isn't just about power and weapons. It's used in cancer treatment, medical imaging, sterilizing medical equipment, scientific research, and space exploration. This science can heal just as much as it can harm. Is nuclear physics dangerous? Yes and no. It's dangerous when misused, poorly managed, or used in war. But it's safe when strict rules are followed and used for peaceful purposes. Science itself is neutral. Humans decide how it's used. Nuclear physics shows us something incredible. The smallest part of matter contains some of the greatest power in the universe. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. Should the next video be about nuclear fusion or radiation? Thanks for watching.